everybody, and in today's video we will be making the origami parrot. My paper just got a little crumpled, so that's why it looks weird. First we're going to fold that in half, then we're going to fold the other, then we're going to fold in half on the other side. And then we are gonna fold that down, fold that, and then fold that in. Corner in, fold the other corner in, and then push down. Then you fold this, fold this, fold this in, and then fold this in, and then open it all up. Good. And then you fold it down, open that up, fold down again, then open up everything. So it's just a flat paper again. And then you will cut right here like I already did. So you fold in half. And then there should be a folded line right here, and you cut in that line. As you can see, this outline right here, cut in the middle. Open it up, fold everything back, and then make sure your cut is facing upwards. Fold the side in, fold. Other side in, and then fold that in, and then fold the sides back in, fold all the sides back in, yeah, and then you open that up, open that, fold those sides in, and then it should look like a diamond, and then do the same thing on the other side. Make it look like a diamond. After this, you will fold the top part down, and then you'll see these two little things. Then you open that, push down, open that, push down, fold those right in, just like this, and then you fold that, fold that. One thing you always want to remember is that, so the pointy tip is facing outwards, and then you flip it over, and then do you see where it's one side and there's a bunch of parts? You fold like here, like this, like there, like this, and then you fold like this, you go like this, oh, what happened? And then you fold like that. Sorry for the noise in the background. And then fold that, Don't worry about that stuff. I just did something wrong. It's fine. And then you fold it in half, just like that. You fold like that. Yeah, fold like that. Fold like that. Fold like that. And then do you see this little bit right here? Just tuck it in. And then do the same thing with the other side. Open it up. And then fold that down. Then after, you will fold that. And then fold it on the other side too. Then you will open it up, push that down, and then just like that. Open the top up, fold it for the top tip of the beak back to there, and fold it back up. And then fold it back down. And then fold the tip down, flip it over, and do the same thing. Open up the top. And there we go. Your origami parrot is finished. If you want to, you can add eyes and stuff. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to make next.